Now I'm going to skip the commentary and get right to the point here. You're probably going batshit crazy trying to figure out why your gear selector in your Jeep won't work. It's a 2009 Jeep Wrangler X. Gear selector will not work. Just goes up and down, back and forth, won't do anything. You're missing a bushing on one of your links. Now this is a repair for the one that's up above on the gear shift selector cable connector. You don't have to tear the console all the way out. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to get this done if you have the right parts and tools. This is really all you need to do this job. You are going to need the car panel removal tools. I'll put a link down below where you can order these. These are essential. Here's the part, the replacement part for it. Now it says transfer case bushing, but this also works for the gear shift selector cable as well. Start by removing this panel right here. Move the gear shift selector out of the way. This does snap up here on the top, so take your removal tool, get it under there, pull those off, and that'll just come right out. Now to do this job, you do not need to remove your gear selector knob or the four-wheel drive knob or even the emergency brake knob. What you're going to do is we're going to lift this part up. Open up your glove box, take your trim tool. There's a pin right here. That's going to pop up. Same back here. Take your trim tool underneath here, and that's going to pop right up, and you'll be able to lift this whole piece up enough to where you can get underneath here. Got that pried up. This whole piece will now lift up, so you don't need to take all that other stuff off. Right there is a spindle for your gear selector. Right here is the cable, and that bushing is going to go right there on the end of that. Now right there's the little bushing, and it's going to go on that spindle just like that. All right. Take that cable, now when you get that all put back together, this is what it looks like. See, we got the bushing onto the cable, on the spindle. Everything's going to work. Now to wrap this up, just take this panel that you lifted up, snap it back down. Gonna have to put this back on. That's quick and easy. This job is done. I really do hope that helped you guys out, because I know when you're trying to do this repair and you can't get that thing into gear, you're just freaking out. I know I was. It took me a few hours to figure this one out, but once I knew how to do it, it's not that hard, and you see how easy it is and how long it takes. That's about, what, a 10-minute repair. Part cost about 20 bucks. I know that's highway robbery for that one little piece. That's all there is to it, but you got to know what it is. You got to know how to do it. If you like this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up, be sure and like and subscribe.